Today in this video, we are going to cover about the company which is soon getting listed in our stock exchange. It's about Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC. In this video, we are going to talk about the company, their financials, the detail of IPO, and last but not the least, our review on this IPO. So stick till the end to know our review and about the IPO. Talking about Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC, it is a joint venture between Aditya Birla Capital and Sun Life AMC, which was incorporated in 1994. It is India's fourth largest AMC, followed by HDFC AMC, SBI AMC, and ICICI AMC. If I talk about the AUM, that is asset under management of this company, which is approximately 2.75 billion. It also it also covers 135 schemes which comprise investing in equities, liquid funds, debt funds, ETFs, and FOF. So FOF is certainly means fund of funds. Here they create a new fund by combining different other funds. If I talk about the strengthening of the company, so the one of the important is its company's own brand name. Yes, you heard right. The company is having a very much good brand name in India, but because they provide a very good services and different set of schemes to their own customers and the other investors. Because of this has also become India's largest non-banking affiliate AMC. So, talking about non-banking affiliation, so there are two. I'll give you a good example. I can differentiate you in two different ways. One is non-banking affiliation, and second is banking affiliation. So, in banking affiliations, companies such as HDFC AMC, SBI AMC, they're having their own sets of customers to which they help to provide the services and to sell their own products. Whereas in non-banking AMCs such as UTI AMC, you can say Aditya Birla AMC, they struggle a lot to provide the services to the customers, but then too, they are growing very much well without any support of the bank. So moving further, if I tell about this company, the company is also having a different investments and different plans such as this company was one of the top company in India who introduced FOF. If I talk about the promoters of the company, so there are two promoters in this company. One is Aditya Birla Capital Limited, whereas the second is Sun Life AMC. Now, moving forward to the financials of the company. So, if I tell you about the financials of the company, so financially is very much short. I have jot down few of the revenues and the profit of the company from the year 2018 till 2020. So let's have a quick look on it. So if you can see, revenue in 2018 was approximately 1323 crores, whereas in 2019 it was around 1406 crores, which increased. In 2020, there was a little bit decreasing in revenue, which was certainly 1233 crores. Now you don't have to worry about this because lot of company there was some fall in revenue because of pandemic, right? So moving towards the profit. So in 2018, the profit was around 348 crores, whereas in 2019 it increased to 446 crores, and in 2020 it went up till 494 crores. So as revenue was a little bit lower in 2020, but if you can see the profit was higher compared to the last 2 years. Now let's see what are the important dates for this IPO. So if I see the dates and the other details, The company is approximately they are raising they are the size of the company's share is around 2768 crores. And the other thing I wanted to inform is fresh issue. It is an offer for sale. The fresh issue is like companies certainly listing it themselves for the first time here. Whereas in offer for sale, the company is selling their own shares to the normal people so that they can raise their funds. So approximately 3.8 crores of equity shares would be sold in the market. The face value of the company is 5 rupees. The price band which they have given is very nominal, like 695 to 712 per share. And I'll tell you, like 712 would be the price which would be bid for, the highest price. And the other thing is like company is listing both on NSE and BSE, whereas the retail portion is 35%, which is very much good. Here the chances of getting an IPO is higher. If I talk about the lot size of the company is around, we are getting 20 shares on per lot, whereas the amount for one lot is 14,240, and maximum lot you can bid for 14 lots. Now the important dates. So IPO is going to get open. The bidding will start from 29th of September and it will end on 1st October. So buckle up. The basic allotment, when you will get an allotment, is on 6th of October, whereas refund would be on 7th of October. If you get an allotment, the share would be credited in your account on 8th of October, whereas the IPO, which will be getting listed, is on 11th of October. So talk about the GMP of this share, is it is approximately 7 to 10%. Seeing the GMP, it is nominal. Now let's move on to my view on this particular IPO. So according to me, first of all, if you see financial was stabilized, it was better, profit was also better. Company is not having a monopoly, because if you have not seen my earlier video, I made a video an IPO information on Paras. So that was a company which was a monopoly. It was one of the company which was getting listed in that particular sector. Whereas in this particular sector, there are also different company which is listed. So this is one of the negative point you can say. It might not affect that much. It might not boom in the market. So it would be nominal. And if you see the revenue price also, it is very moderate. The GMP is also not rising that much. So probability, the chances is, if you are waiting for getting a profit on the listing day, if you are such kind of an investor, you can surely bid for this. And the other investor who haven't applied for IPO earlier also, they can surely bid for this. My view on this IPO is positive for short term, where you can gain a good profit for a short term period of time. Other update if we get regarding to this IPO will surely connect to you. For more update regarding to other IPOs and other investment products and all, you can just subscribe my channel below, and also you can press the bell icon. And if you felt like this was a good information, you can share with your friends and family and other members so that they can also get to know about this IPO. Till then, I might take a leave. So then, thank you very much.